During Auto China this year, a 6-year-old battery pack that covered 840,000 kilometers was the center of attention. Not because it has 88% of its original capacity, because, unlike today's battery packs, it didn't look like a box. When EVs share platforms with their ICE cousins, they have to be shaped for drive shafts and exhausts. The result is cooling-looking battery packs that couldn't hold energy, so range suffered. With a dedicated EV platform, battery packs need not be compromised anymore. They could be made into boxy shapes, less character, but way more capacity and range. Think that's the end of the story? There's literally room for improvement. Early battery packs used the cell-to-module-to-pack architecture. Imagine every battery cell in a small room, then putting all those rooms inside a much bigger one. Only about 50% of the pack was actually occupied by battery cells. The rest was structure. To go further, we have to reclaim that space. That's why CATL pioneered cell-to-pack technology. Cells were integrated directly into the pack, eliminating intermediate modules. In 2022, the Qilin battery introduced CTP 3.0, raising cell-to-pack efficiency to 72%. For the first time, production EVs could go over 1,000 kilometers, enough to drive from London to Munich without recharging. In 2024, we took it one step further. With CTC integration, the battery became part of the vehicle structure itself. Space utilization reaches 75%, leaving more room for energy and offering better protection. No fire, no explosion, even in a 120 km/h pole impact test. What does this mean for you? With the same size, you go further, lighter, and consume less. Now that's more confidence behind the wheel.